coming home, I've done my time. Now I've got to know what is and isn't mine. If you receive my letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you'll know just what to do if you still want me. If you still want me, oh, tie a yellow ribbon around the old tree. It's been 3 long years. Do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon around the old tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree. Now the whole damn bus is cheering, and I can't believe I see 100 yellow ribbons round the old tree. I'm coming home.
Tie a ribbon round the old oak tree. 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 Tie a ribbon round the old oak tree.
Hey, give me your stuff. Give me your stuff. Give me your stuff. All right, where's your phone?
I don't have a phone.
Where's your phone? What do you mean you don't have a phone?
I do not have a phone.
Ah! Here.
Too slow. I'll call you.
Hey, remember me? Remember you? I gave you a ride away from that weird guy. You remember him? He lives way down yonder. You know, it's town crackheads, I guess. Some weird random guy. You see him there all the time. Still goes there every once in a while.
I'm looking for somebody.
Okay.
Got yay high, skinny build, ugly greased back hair.
Oh yeah, he lives like way over there, way down yonder. He lives in the crack shack. He lives I don't know. It's some shady, super shady spot. It looks like a broken down old house. There's a bunch of people that go there to do whatever they're doing. Way down there. Do you at least have like a cigarette? Hey!
Oh, I forgot I pissed in that. Ah, shit.
Where's my stuff?
Hey, please.
Where's my stuff?
It's with Ricky. It's with Ricky.
And where is Ricky?
He's right behind the church in the workshop. Please. No, please, no!
Hey, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
What? Where's my stuff? Wait, is that what this is about? Ah! Alright, stop, it's over there, it's all over there! It's all over there, just stop!
There is nothing that is wrong